This is a question that people always ask me. Can you run your small generator without air cleaner? You can see air cleaner supposed to be here. This is air cleaner housing. As you can see, this is air cleaner housing, and it's supposed to be here, and the air cleaner is supposed to be there. Well, the point is that don't run your engine without air cleaner, but your engine is going to run without air cleaner. Do you get the point? But don't do that, because your air cleaner has nothing to prevent your engine from running, but don't do it. And I'll tell you 2 or 3 reasons why you should not run your engine without air cleaner. This is your carburetor. Your air cleaner prevents dirt from entering your carburetor, so it cleans the air that goes to your carburetor. Your carburetor need air, so your air cleaner prevents dirty air from going to your carburetor. That is number 1. It cleans the air. That is why you call it the name air cleaner. It cleanses the air that goes to your carburetor. That is the first one. And what is the second one? The second one is that without air cleaner, your engine is going to make noise. Yes, just observe it. Remove your air cleaner and put ordinary cover there. You will notice that your engine is going to make a lot of noise. The air cleaner help your engine to prevent your engine from making noise, but without the air cleaner, you notice your engine is going to make a lot of noise. So you need to ensure that you have your air cleaner to prevent your engine from making noise. If your air cleaner has damaged, then you need to replace it. So don't run your engine without air cleaner. And number 3 is that it prevents your carburetor from getting damaged. Yes, that is another vital point you need to know. Without air cleaner, dirty go to your carburetor, and when it goes to your carburetor, it allows dirty to block those passages in your carburetor. No, there are some passages in your carburetor where air is supposed to pass, where fuel is supposed to pass. When you run your engine without air cleaner, it allows dirt to block those places. So because of that reason, you don't have to run your engine without air cleaner. So if you don't have air cleaner here, please go and replace it immediately. And if you have your air cleaner and it's dirty, ensure you clean it. You can wash it with detergent and with water and detergent, and you are good to go. But if it's too bad, then you have to replace it. So don't run your small generator without air cleaner. Do you learn something for this video? Please don't forget to follow me for more tips like this, and like and share to others so that they will not run their engine without air cleaner. See you in another video.